Guys, welcome back to Key Renders. Today we are going to see how to make central model in Revit and collaborate with others. So first thing first, let's create new Revit model with architectural templates. So hit OK and we are going to open a new project. First thing first, let's put some walls and draw it in rectangular, just like this. And let's create some internal walls also. So let's create like this and like this. And the next thing we are going to do, let's add some door. So maybe put that over there in the entrance. Let's change this door to wall lift door, like this and like this. So let's put it in the center and over there, and we are going to go to the, let's save this. Let's go to File, Save As, and Projects. Save it wherever you want, on your computer or on your, if you have any central server, you can save it there so that everyone can get to the central model. You can do this to any project you have currently, but you have to save it on the central folder, so that everyone can get it easily. So let's save this one, like project 01, something like that. You can name your project whatever you want. So next thing we're going to do is go to Collaborate tab and hit on Collaborate. Will tell you within your network or in BIM 3D document management. So we're going to use within your networks so that it works locally with your server, local server, so you don't have to buy anything. But you can also use BIM 360 document management so that you can collaborate on cloud. But we are going to use today is within your computer and network. So we are going to save this one and hit OK. The next thing we are going to do is close the project. Save the project, and this is the first time project saving has been saved since Yorkshire is when enabled. Project is for central model, so this is the first time we are going to save it for the central one. So save yes. And we close the project, so that, like you can see over here, this icon is telling us that this model is central. So central model is open. When we click, by opening the model, you can create, you will be creating a local copy. The local copy is where you're working from your own, and when you sync it, it's going to be saved to the central file. So you will have your local copy always. If anything happens to the server in the network. So we are going to hit OK. And that's it. We are going to have a central model you can collaborate with other departments like sanitary, electrical, mechanical, structural. You can design with collaborative within one model. If any changes will appear from structural or sanitary, you will see it on your own model when you synchronize with the team. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe, like, share, and comment your thoughts. See you next time.